Microscope is an optical instrument that uses lens or combination of lens to produce magnified images that are too small to see by unaided eyes. Microscope provides the enlarged view that helps to analyze the image. Microscope can be separated into optical theory microscope, electron microscope, and scanning probe microscope. Optical microscope function on the basis of optical theory of lenses, by which it can magnify the image obtained by the movement of a wave through the sample. The waves used in optical microscope are electromagnetic, and in electron microscope are electron beams.
Okay, now it's our time to show you our microscope. Let's go!
Function of component in microscope. Okay, first we have wire here to connect to the plug, and then we have a switch on and switch off to open the microscope, and then we have the coarse adjustment knob to move the stage up and down for focusing. Next, we have arms used to support the microscope when carried, and then we have eyepiece, which is contain the ocular lenses. You can see the specimen through the this eyepiece. And then we have the fine adjustment knob, which is move the stage slightly to sharpen the image. Next, we have nose piece, which is to hold the high and low power, and then we have objective lenses, which can be rotated to change the magnification, and the magnification range from 10 to 50. And then we have the stage clip, which is to hold the slide and the specimen in place. Next, we have diaphragm, which is to control the amount of light on the specimen. And then we have the light source, which is to project light upward through the diaphragm. We also can rotate the light source to find the suitable light for view our specimen. And then the second last, we have the stage, which is we need to support this light that being viewed, and then we have piece to support the microscope itself. And then this is the final view of our models.
When handling a microscope, there is a lot of meticulous details need to be taken care of, since the microscope is a very sensitive object. So first, when you're moving your microscope, always carry it with both hands. Grasp the arm with one hand and place the another hand under the base for the support. Number 2. Turn the revolving nose piece so that the lowest power objective lens is clipped into the position. Number 3. Your microscope slide should be prepared by placing a cover slip or a cover glass over the specimen. This will help protect the objective lenses if they touch the slide. Number 4. Look at the objective lens and the stage from the side, and turn the coarse focus knob so that the objective lens moves downward. Move it as far as it will go without touching the slide. Number 5. Now look through the eyepiece and adjust the illuminator or mirror and diaphragm for the greatest amount of light. Number 6. Slowly turn the coarse adjustment so that the objective lens goes up. Continue until the image comes into the focus.
Now you should be able to change to the next objective lens with only minimal use of the focusing adjustment. Use the fine adjustment if available. If you cannot focus on your specimen, repeat step 4 through 7 with the higher power objective lens in. Number 10. Do not touch the glass part of the lenses with your fingers. Use only special lens paper to clean the lenses.
When finished, light the tube. For lower the stage, click the lower power lens into position and remove the slide.
Lastly, always keep your microscope covered when not in use. Dust is the number one enemy.